Here is Deacon's lunch today. We went with peanut butter and jelly, just a half, because he's been leaving so many like little sandwich remnants. I thought maybe we'll just try that. String cheese, it's on this side. This is a lot better looking than the last time you guys saw it. And somebody actually sent me an email and said, hey, when I was a kid, I didn't bring my lunchbox home. Milk rotted in the thermos. I had to clean it out. Parents talked about how it wasn't pleasurable, blah, blah, blah. Anyways, excellent tip. So the next time he doesn't bring his lunchbox home, he has to clean it out. In here, we've just got a hodgepodge of little snacks, carrot, sugar snap peas, the last of the grapes, and one of the little juices. So that's what's in his lunch today. Super happy to report that he brought his lunchbox home. So inside we've got, oh, not bad. That's the sandwich. And then over here, just the grapes and 8-ish. These are big compartments. This is actually a box that's better to be used for my boyfriend and not him. I mean, this is my thumb. They're pretty big. In Deacon's lunch today, we've got peanut butter and jelly rolled up in a tortilla. Mad hurry to get out the door this morning, so I didn't even have time to grab a knife. I just tore it in half because I wanted to get this recorded. And then string cheese, strawberries, raisins, and pretzels. Not the best lunch, but it was a morning where time completely slipped away, and it was moments before we had to leave when I realized, oh my goodness, it's time to go. This is what I'm packing in Drake's. Okay, you can wear that. Drake's just school snack. He just ate lunch, but his teacher switched time, so it's kind of a little wonky. So I'm just throwing this in here. I don't even know if he'll eat it. We'll see. I got the update on my phone, and now it like won't go sideways. So hopefully I can flip this in iMovie. But anyways, he ate okay. I'm surprised he didn't eat his strawberries. Usually that's his first thing. But he loved this. So that was how he ate yesterday. Yay, it flipped. So this is what Drake's has in his lunch today. He's gonna have his snack: apple, string cheese, and a juice. Deacon's got a banana, string cheese, a juice, and then we have some pulled chicken left over from last night. So I heated that up. Okay, honey. And then 2 of the Hawaiian rolls. So that is what is in his lunch today. And I'm just going to pack him a spoon and cut up. I guess I should cut those for his lunch. So kind of different. I think this will be fun. This is something that I would like to have in my lunch. So I think it'll be a good lunch day for him.